Welcome back to the car updates. The 2025 MX-5 Miata retains its classic Roadster silhouette, but with a sharper, more modern edge. The front fascia has been updated with more aggressive LED headlights that give the Miata a piercing look. The grille has been slightly widened, improving both airflow and the car's overall stance. Subtle creases along the hood and fenders add a muscular feel, while the lower stance makes the car look planted and ready to pounce. Mazda has also introduced new color options for 2025, including a striking Soul Red Crystal Metallic and a deep blue mica, both of which highlight the Miata's curvaceous body lines beautifully. The lightweight aluminum alloy wheels come in a new dark finish, complementing the car's sporty look. The side profile remains true to the Miata's classic proportions, with a short wheelbase and low center of gravity. Key ingredients that have made the MX-5 Miata one of the best-handling cars in its class. Around the back, the taillights have been redesigned with a more streamlined LED signature, and the rear diffuser has been subtly reworked to improve aerodynamics and enhance the car's sporty appearance. Under the hood, the 2025 MX-5 Miata features the latest evolution of Mazda's Skyactiv-G 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. It produces an impressive 181 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque, which may not sound like much on paper, but in a car that weighs just around 2,300 pounds, it's more than enough to deliver a thrilling drive. Mazda has fine-tuned the intake and exhaust systems, resulting in a sharper throttle response and a more aggressive exhaust note. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an available 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters. The manual transmission, in particular, remains one of the best in the industry, with short, precise throws and a smooth clutch feel that gives drivers a true connection to the car. Mazda has also tweaked the suspension for 2025, improving body control and enhancing cornering stability without compromising ride comfort. A key highlight of the 2025 MX-5 Miata is the improved Kinematic Posture Control (KPC) system, which applies light braking to the inner rear wheel during high-speed cornering. This reduces body roll and keeps the car flatter through turns, giving the driver more confidence and control. The steering remains razor-sharp, with excellent feedback that allows the driver to feel exactly what the front wheels are doing at all times. Inside the cabin, the 2025 MX-5 Miata combines simplicity with premium materials. The driver-focused cockpit features supportive sport seats, wrapped in premium leather with contrasting stitching. The steering wheel, gear shifter, and handbrake are all wrapped in leather, reinforcing the car's sporty character. The infotainment system has been upgraded to a larger 8.8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The system is easy to use, with intuitive menus and quick response times.